So in the real world, I think you can see that we cannot find at like at the end point of the game. So you have to stop at some point here. Okay, so to make sure that you can understand it, I'll show you another example. For example, okay, if this is the end game situation and this is 5, 8, 6, so if this is the end game, maybe you want to go down, but it's okay. For example, this is just only 3 ply. Your turns, opponent turn, and yours. So, which one you have to choose? 5, 8, 6. You have to choose 8, right? That's all. Yeah. So when you finish, you can go to the next one. It is the same way that you think you're you used when you play with your friends. When you play chess, when you play checkers, what you have to do is you have to uh, choose one of your choice, and then at that choice you have to think that how many choice that your opponent can work can do, and then for each choice of your opponents, and how can you go from that point. So that is the same way, and once you finish one way you have to go to the other ways. So if it is 2, 3, 4, so this one will be 4, right? Yeah. Then next, if this is 5, 10, 13, so what is it? It is 13, right? So which one is your opponent will choose? Of course, your opponent will choose the lowest one. So this will be 4. And then you have to go next to the other branch and then try to find it. 2, 3, 4. You will choose 4, for example. 3, 6, 2. So highest is 6. 1, 3, 4. Highest 4. So which one? So both are same. So any of them can be chosen. So maybe you can choose this. So that's all. Classroom. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Uh, so if it is 5, 6, 8, so it will be 8 will be chosen, right? So if it is 2, 3, 9, so 9 will be chosen. And if it is 6, 8, 7, so 8 will be chosen, right? Because you have to choose max here from here. So at this level, 8, 9, 8, you have to choose the minimum one, so any of them can be. So this is just only the values. You need just only the values. So 4, 4, 8, you have to choose the maximum one, so you have to choose the right part. This is just another example. I'll show you how can be reduced, because uh, as you can see, our property is we will use the depth first search, and the time that you have to use is big O B power M. This is quite very high. So how can we help this algorithm? I'll show you in the next clip.